In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up on Shopify. We'll start right from your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, you should be on your main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar in your admin. Click on that search bar, then type apps and select the apps option when it appears. This is the quickest way to get to the area where we can install new tools for your store. Inside the apps area, look for a link or button that says something like all recommended apps. Click that and then choose Shopify App Store. This will open the official app marketplace where we can find the app we need to create our email pop-up. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Shopify Forms. This is a free app from Shopify that lets you create pop-ups and forms that connect directly to your customer list. When you see Shopify Forms appear in the list of apps, click on it, then click the Install button. Confirm any permissions Shopify asks for so the app can be added to your store. After the installation completes, you'll be taken back into your admin inside the Shopify Forms app. Here, click on Create Form. You'll see different form types. Choose Pop-up Form. Give your form a clear internal name like Email Pop-up so you can recognize it later, then click Create. Now you're in the form editor. In the pop-up display section, choose whether you want it to be a floating pop-up or an overlay. A floating pop-up usually appears as a small box, while an overlay covers more of the page. Just below that, choose where you want it to appear on the screen, like bottom right or center. Scroll down to the teaser section and decide when it should show. For example, after a certain number of seconds or after a visitor scrolls. Below that, set the main title of the pop-up. Then in the form section, choose a headline like Sign up to our newsletter. In the content field, add a short, clear message explaining what visitors get by subscribing. In the field section, choose what information you want to collect, such as email and maybe first name. Click Done when you're happy and use Add New Field if you want more fields. In the email marketing consent section, choose what kind of consent you require and set your button label like subscribe or submit. Finally, click Save at the top, then click Turn on Form to activate it. Your email pop-up is now live on your Shopify store.